Let me tell you about the time I got investigated by the TBI. I'm Attorney Christmas, Knoxville, Tennessee, Clinton, Tennessee, criminal defense attorney. Here we go. If you recall, a while back, I made a video about the top 5 counties I would never live in due to their criminal justice system, and all of the 3rd Judicial District made the list. Hawkins County, Hancock County, Hamlin County, Greene County. Now, I will tell you, the Hawkins County General Sessions Court judge is a phenomenal judge, and y'all need to keep electing him to office. He's that county's only saving grace. I'll make another video about that later. And I also made a video about how to get a burner phone and what the steps you would need to do to get a true burner phone. Well, the elected DA of the 3rd Judicial District caught wind of my videos and got really upset about it. And he used his power, his power in office, to ask the TBI to launch an investigation against me over my TikTok videos, which I thought was somewhat ironic because I call the 3rd Judicial District out for having issues with their criminal justice system, and in response, they asked the TBI to investigate me over my TikTok videos, which I thought was somewhat ironic. And the TBI, they reached out to me, and of course, nothing happened because it was fucking stupid. As a criminal defense attorney, there's some things that just come with the business. You have to be comfortable being uncomfortable. You can't concern yourself with who you piss off or who you offend, and sometimes it calls you to say things that other people think are raunchy. But let me tell you something. I am white fucking trash. I grew up in South fucking Georgia, Southeast Georgia, Alma, Georgia. My daddy was a log truck driver. My mom worked at a grocery store. I grew up in a single wide trailer and the bathroom didn't work, but sometimes I am white trash and I carry around a chip on my shoulder as big as my fucking big fat head. I am pissed off and I have a lot of hate in my fucking heart, and I use that hate and I give it to the fucking government. If you want to do this job, you have to offend people. It comes with a business. That doesn't mean you're an asshole all the time. That doesn't mean you have to be unreasonable. But that means, by God, when it's time to stand on motherfucking business, you stand on motherfucking business. And I'll say one more thing. When you can open up your book of victories, and you can go page by page, not guilty, and you can look at the cases upon cases of dismissals and not guilty verdicts as they go and go and go and go. First degree murder, not guilty. 15 counts, not guilty. Armed robbery, not guilty. First degree murder, not guilty. Felon in possession of a weapon, not guilty. Rape, not guilty. Rape, not guilty. Aggravated rape, not guilty. When you can sit there and page by page and page of not guilties, that makes up for a lot of motherfucking sins. Folks, I make no apologies of what I say or what I do. So send the TBI, send the FBI, the DEA, the ATF, the Army, the National Guard. And as they squeeze the life from my body, I hope I can muster 2 words, a fuck and a you. If you need me, call me.